Solve the question, make it quick. First find the points. So it's already given the ordinate of the point. What do you mean the ordinate? What do you mean by ordinate? It's a y coordinate, right? So given y coordinate value is 1. So using that find the x coordinate. And then you'll get a point or 2 points, whatever it is. And then find the equation of tangents at that points, at those points, okay? You already group lo పెట్టా గుర్తున్నారా ఇవి బోర్డ్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 1C లో క్వశ్చన్ ఇది 1C 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then find point of contact. Then find point of contact. That's the question. Is our second question? Okay, ఎలా చేసాం ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ పర్పెండిక్యులరా పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ తప్పురా నీకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ స్లోప్ ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తే ఏ స్లోప్ ఈక్వేట్ చేసావు సరే డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఓకే డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర నీకు ఎలా తెలుసు కానీ హెచ్కామాకి అనుకున్నప్పటికీ నీకు అక్కడి నుంచి ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తాయి కదా రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ రావు కదా పోయినసారి కూడా ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇలాంటి మిస్టేక్ చేసినట్టున్నావు రేపు మనం ఉందా అదే
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్
ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ రాలా ఇంకా ఓకే సో లిజన్ టు ద సొల్యూషన్ ఫస్ట్ whose ordinates are 1 so given y coordinate is equal to 1 given y coordinate is equal to 1 so how to find x coordinate put value of y in the circle equation so x square plus 1 square minus 8x minus 2 into 1 plus 12 is equal to 0 so x square minus 8x x square minus 8x 1 minus 2 minus 1 12 minus 2 10 10 plus 1 11 okay x square minus 8x plus 11 is equal to 0 so can it be factorized no it cannot be factorized so what should we do then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac by 2a which is equal to 8 plus or minus under root 20 by 2 so 8 plus or minus what is root 20 it is 2 root 5 root 20 is 2 root 5 by 2 so 2 cancels 2 commoners cancel అయిపోతుంది కదా so 4 plus or minus root 5 so x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 5 and what is the value of y 0 so points are 4 plus or minus root 5 comma 1 those are the points okay now how to find the equation of tangent equation of tangent is s1 is equal to 0 yes equation of tangent to the circle at a point okay it is s1 is equal to 0 so how to find s1 x into x1 so see that x into x1 take any one of the points 4 plus root 5 okay plus y into 1 minus first ఏం చేయాలి అక్కడ minus 8 there is minus 8 so first divide it with 2 minus 4 of x plus x1 4 plus root 5 next minus 2 by 2 1 of y plus y1 what is y1 1 plus 12 is equal to 0 okay any doubt here no so now 4x minus 4x cancel wait a minute Hmm. 4x minus 4x cancel, y minus y cancel. So what is left out? Root 5 into x. Root 5 into x. What else is left out? Minus 4 into 4, minus 16. Minus 4 root 5. See, minus 4 into x plus 4 into x gets cancelled. Y into 1 minus y into 1 cancel. Now root 5 into x is left. And then minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Minus 4 into root 5 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 0. So now root 5x, okay, root 5x, 12 minus 11, 12 minus 1, 11. 11 minus 16, minus 5. Minus 5 minus 4 root 5. Minus of 5 plus 4 root 5 is equal to 0. That is the equation of tangent. Okay. So this is only one tangent. There will be other tangent possible also. How? I've taken only 4 plus root 5, right? If you take 4 minus root 5, you will get another point. You will get another point, which means you're going to get another equation of tangent. Okay. So there will be two tangents possible because there are 2 points of intersection. There are 2 points of intersection, which means at each point there is a tangent. Okay. See, equation of tangent at a point is S1 is equal to 0. That's it. But uh, here the point is not given directly. Okay. So we have to find the point first and then find S1 is equal to 0. Okay. So if the point is directly given, no need to do all this. First we have found the point. First we have calculated the point and then we have used the formula S1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now coming to this one, this is the equation. So this is the equation of a tangent to this circle, and the question is to find the point of contact. See, this is the reverse questioning. Earlier, point is given and we are asked to find the equation of tangent. Here, equation of tangent is given to the circle and we should find the point of contact. Okay, observe this. This is the tangent 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Yes. So this is the point. This is the point. We don't know this point. Let P be H comma K. So this is P is point of contact. P is point of contact. That's what we have to find here. And then what is the center of the circle? What is the center? Observe. It is, if there is minus, you have to put plus 6 by 2. 3 minus 2. So 3 comma minus 2. That is the center of the circle. Now, point P is the point of contact as well as it is also foot of perpendicular center C. Okay. It is also foot of perpendicular from C, which is center, onto the line. Okay. P is nothing but point of contact. And how to find point of contact? The concept here is P is also the foot of perpendicular of C onto the line. What is the foot of perpendicular formula? Foot of perpendicular. H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So this is the formula to find point of contact, not point of contact, foot of perpendicular. This is the formula we have learned this in straight lines. Yes. So now what are x1 and y1? Okay. So now what are x1 and y1? x1 comma y1 is the point. See. This is the point x1 comma y1 and foot of perpendicular is h comma k. Okay. So h comma k is the foot of perpendicular of the point x1 comma y1 on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, simple. It's very simple now. See, h minus what is x1? 3. H minus x1 by a. What is a? 4 is equal to k minus y1. What is y1? 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus of 4 into x1 3 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7 upon a square plus b square, which is 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, any doubts till here? No? So now simplify that. H minus 3 by 4 is equal to k plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, minus 25 upon 25, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, h minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 1, as well as k plus 2 by minus 3 is also equal to minus 1. So, h is equal to minus 4 plus 3, minus 1, and k is equal to minus 1 into minus 3, 3, minus 2, which is 1. So, point of contact is, so point P is minus 1 comma 1. Okay. Any doubts? So, point of contact of the tangent to the circle is nothing but, point of contact of a tangent to the circle is nothing but foot of perpendicular from center, foot of perpendicular from center onto the tangent. That is nothing but point of contact. Okay, na? Still any doubts? First Chappal, I'm going to erase that. If you have any doubts, just tell me, okay? What is the first method? No, no, no. No, what is the first method? First question లాగా చేయాలంటే సి it's a bit lengthy. Lengthy in the sense 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, or is it, or 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Basically solving, na? Have to solve the line equation and the circle equation. By that you will get the point of intersection or point of contact, whatever it is. If there is one point, you will get point of contact. If there are 2 points, if there are 2 points, you will get points of intersection. Okay. So 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So x will be 3y minus 7 by 4. Now we have to substitute the value of x. Put it in circle equation. Put it in circle equation. Put the value of x in circle equation. Put the value of x in కార్తీక్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోరా స్క్రీన్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది okay. Now put it in circle equation. So this is the circle equation. Put the value of x, okay, which is 3y minus 7 by 4. Here also 3y minus 7 by 4. You will get a quadratic equation in y. You will get a quadratic equation in y, and if you solve that, you will get a point. Okay. Obviously, that quadratic equation which you are going to get will have equal roots because there is only one point of contact, right? As it is a as this line is the tangent to the circle, so there will be only one point of contact, one point of intersection or one point of contact, whatever it is. So once you substitute the value of x here, you're going to get a quadratic equation in y which will have equal roots. Okay. Equation of radius. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్ అంటే ఎట్లరా? ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్ నీకు ఎలా తెలుసురా? తెలియదు కదా. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్ ఎలా తెలుసు? अच्छा, स्लोप and but okay, correct. Yeah. You can solve that also. Yes, you can find it. You can find the equation of Cp. Yes. Or Cp is perpendicular to the line. So find equation of Cp. Find equation of Cp and then find the point of intersection. Yeah, you can solve like that also. Still any doubts? Can I arrange na? Very question ichena? Prove that the tangent at 3, -2 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 13 touches the circle and find its point of contact. Find the equation of tangents to the circle. రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ అవి, ఆ రెండు సాల్వ్ చేయండి ఫాస్ట్గా, మేక్ ఇట్ క్విక్. Yes, 5 comma 1 is correct. See, basically there are three parts to this question. There are three parts to this question. First one is you have to find the equation of tangent to the first circle at the given point, which is using S1 is equal to 0. And then you have to prove that tangent is the tangent to the second circle also. So how can you say whether line is given to the whether line is tangent to a given circle or not? Using the perpendicular distance and radius. Do you remember yesterday we have discussed that? So a line is a tangent to the circle if the perpendicular distance from the center to that line is equal to the radius. Yes. So that is the second part. You have to prove that. Okay, using the formula perpendicular distance is equal to, using the concept perpendicular distance is equal to radius. Okay. And the third part is point of contact, which we have discussed just now in the previous question. Okay. So those are the three parts to this question. First one, S1 is equal to 0. Next, you will get a line. Now you have to prove that line is tangent to the circle. How do you prove that? The perpendicular distance is equal to radius. And then the third part is point of contact. Second question is also very simple one, eighth one. I mean eighth question. You just have to find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent with the given conditions, and then you'll know the value of m. After knowing the value of m, there's a formula, na? How to use that directly. So see the sixth one. Solution. Okay. So first equation of tangent. Point enti 3 comma minus 2. Circle equation. X square plus y square is equal to 13. So equation is S1 is equal to 0. So x into 3 plus y into minus 2. It's a simple one. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 13, or you can say 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, second circle. See? Second circle. Let it be equation 1. Second circle. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equal to 0. So center, what is the center? Minus 1 comma plus 5. Reverse sign, right? Plus minus minus plus, and then by 2 1 by 2 5. Okay. Radius under root 1 square plus 5 square minus of minus 26. Minus of minus 26. 25 plus 1, 26 plus 26. 52. Radius is root 52. Alright. So root 13 into 4, which is 2 root 13. Root 4 is 2, no? So this is the center and radius. Now, perpendicular distance from C to the line 1. Perpendicular distance from C to the line 1. How do you find that? Mod of AX1. Do you remember the formula? 3 into x1 minus 1 minus 2 into y 5 minus 13 upon under root b square plus 4, a square plus b square, 3 square plus 2 square. See, minus 10, minus 3, minus 13, minus 13, minus 13, minus 26, mod minus 26, 26 by root 13, 26 by root 13, which is equal to 2 root 13, which is equal to radius. Hence proved. Hence proved. Yes, hence proved. Next, point of contact. Point of contact. Okay. Center is minus 1 comma 5. Now that we know, now that we have proved that this line is the tangent, which is 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. That is the line. Now I have to find point P. So which is h comma k assume. So h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. See, I'm repeating the formula. I'm repeating the formula. Okay. So just have to memorize it. These basic formulas are very important. Okay. Second one, x plus y plus 1 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Okay. Is equal to 0 ledara. Okay. Now see the eighth one. So first one, slope should be, what is the slope? Minus 1. No? Slope is minus 1 because he told that tangent is parallel to the line. Tangent is parallel means slope should be equal. So slope of tangent is equal to the slope of line given, which is equal to minus 1. This is for the first question. Now center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. So which is h comma k? Which is h comma k? Now tell me about radius. Under root 2 square plus 3 square minus of minus 12. Yes, 13 plus 12, 25, which is equal to 5. Okay. Now what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent. See, formula is same. Y minus k is equal to m into x minus h plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. R root 1 plus m square. Understood? So y minus, what is k? Minus 3. So y plus 3 is equal to m into minus 1 into x minus h is 2 plus or minus r root, r means 5, under root 1 plus 1 square. So y, okay, minus x it was the plus x plus y, 3 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 it was the malli plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. And what is the next question? Second one, perpendicular. So m into, what is the slope of this one? Minus 1 should be equal to minus 1. Perpendicular means product of slopes is equal to minus 1. No? So m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. Same center, same radius. Equation would be this. Instead of minus 1, you have to put 1. That's it. Okay. Same formula. Any doubts in these two questions? We'll move to the further topic. Any doubts? Next. See, yesterday we discussed about two forms of tangent. We discussed two forms of tangent. First one is finding the equation of tangent to the circle at a point, which means if you are given a point on the circle, you can find the equation of tangent using S1 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the first one. Next, if you know the slope of tangent, like find the equation of tangent with slope 2, like this question. Okay, just the previous one. Earlier we have done the problem here. Okay, so eighth question. If you are given the slope, then the formula is y minus k is equal to m into x minus h plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Okay, is that all right? Now, if it is a standard form, if the circle is in standard form, which means center is 0 comma 0, so h and k will be 0 and 0. Okay, that's not an issue. So those are the two forms of tangent we discussed. If the point on the circle is given, s1 is equal to 0. Okay, if the slope is given, that is a formula. Now, finding equation of tangent, okay, to the circle drawn from external point. Equation of tangent to the circle drawn from external point. See, in the first form, point on the circle is given. In the second form, slope is given. Now, this is a new form, which is point on the circle is not given. Point exterior to the circle is given, which means an external point is given, and how to find the equation of tangent to the circle from an external point. Okay. Now, circle. Okay. H comma k. Radius. There's a point P here. There's a point P. X1 comma Y1. Equation of tangents from the point to the circle. So how many equations are possible? How many equations are possible? How many tangents are possible from an external point? Two tangents can be drawn from an external point to the circle. So A and B. So do you remember this? What is the value of PA and PB? PA is equal to PB is equal to root S11. PA is equal to PB is equal to root S11. Okay. Then later, sorry, what are we discussing? Equation of tangent. Okay. So to find the equation of tangent, first step is let the slope is equal to m. Let the slope is equal to m. Then equation of tangent. If the slope is m, I have assumed the slope to be m. All right, I have assumed slope to be m. Equation will be y minus k is equal to m into x minus h plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Okay, y minus k is equal to m into x minus h plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Okay, now and then what you will do is what is r, m is the variable here, h, the value of k. Now there is another property to this line. This is nothing but tangent, right? Equation of tangent. Equation of tangents. Okay. Now this passes through